In this video, we will learn about arrays in JavaScript. So arrays are list of elements. That means it is a variable which can store a collection of elements. So it's similar as in many other programming languages. In JavaScript, we can create an array as selected players equal to the square bracket. Now this selected players has become an array. It is an array, but the values are empty. So this is an empty array. We can even assign values to this, like Alice, Bob, Darth. Okay, so this has become an array having values, these three values. And as in many other programming languages, array has indices, and these indices start with 0. So selected players of 0 will give us Alice, selected players of Bob, 1 will give us Bob, and 2 will give us Darth. Okay, let's check this. Okay, I will try it out in our console. Okay, I will type something like this: selected players. I will refresh this page so that the change will get affected. So I will type selected players. Okay, you can see the result there. So it is an array having 3 elements inside it: Alice, Bob, and Darth. So let's print of 2. We will get the result Darth, the third value. So the index starts with 0. And we can also manipulate this value. For example, this value of 2 can be set as David. Now let's see what will be the result of selected players. Now you can see that the Darth has been changed to David. So you can assign values in arrays using its index. Okay. As I have said earlier, JavaScript is dynamic language. Dynamic language means we can assign values as we want. That means we doesn't need to represent int, string, float, or something like that. We just need to represent var and a variable name, and we can assign any values to it. That means we can even here these all values are string. We can also assign integer values to this. A mix of values can be assigned. That means I will assign this third value. I will reassign this third value as 2. Let's check this. Or 2 or 3. I will set it as 3. So now I will print selected players. Now you can see that this element has been changed to 3. So you can see that it contains values. So this is a string, this is another string, and this is a number. So in JavaScript, arrays can have dynamic values. Dynamic values means it can have mixed set of values. It doesn't need to be of same type. You can assign values of any type. So that is basic concept of arrays. And one more thing, in JavaScript, array is implemented as objects. Okay, let's see. I will prove my point by printing the type of selected players. You can see that the type of selected players is not array, it's object. That means array is implemented in JavaScript as objects.